Hi dear students, this particular class we are going to discuss another idea, that is pair of straight lines. Two lines combination, that is a pair of straight lines. So this is the general second degree homogeneous equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. The general second degree homogeneous equation represent pair of straight lines. Both the straight lines are passing through origin under the condition h square greater than or equals to ab. That is the first point. How? Under this condition, how can we say that this equation represent pair of straight lines? You know, any straight line passing through origin is of the form y is equals to mx. Now what happens here? Observe, b into y by x whole square plus 2h into y by x plus a is equals to 0. Now we can write this one as bm square plus 2h into m plus a is equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation in m. Which is a quadratic equation in m. This is a line, means m must be real. M must be real means this quadratic equation must have a real root. When this quadratic equation must have a real root, that quadratic equation has a real roots under the condition b square minus 4ac must be greater than or equals to 0. That is the reason we are getting h square minus ab greater than or equals to 0. Under this condition, this equation represent two straight lines passing through origin, right? But what about this line represent? This has two slopes, two values of m. That means this equation m has two values, because we are saying that this equation represents two straight lines passing through origin. So one line slope I am assuming m1, second line slope I am assuming as m2. Then tell me what is m1 plus m2? m1 plus m2 sum of the slopes is equals to minus 2h by b, and the product of the slopes m1 m2 is equals to a by b. Yes, you know m1 plus m2 and m1 m2. Then the difference of the slopes m1 minus m2 is equal to square root of m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 into m1 m2. So that we can write it as a square root of 4h square divided by b square minus 4 into a by b. So that is nothing but 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by b. So that is m1 minus m2. Array, one line slope is m1, second line slope is m2. Then how to find out angle between the two lines is given by tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So now we can write this one as 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by b by 1 plus m1 m2, means we got a by b in modulus for acute angle. So that we can write it as 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by modulus of a plus b. So that is the formula for finding angle between two straight lines passing through origin, because this is the information we are saying that second degree homogeneous equation represent two straight lines. This is one line and this is another line. Angle between these two lines is given by theta. Then theta is equals to 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Now observe here from this figure, you know tan theta is equals to, this is opposite side 2 into square root of h square minus ab, and at the same time this is nothing but a plus b. So hypotenuse we can find out a minus b whole square plus 4h square is the hypotenuse, right? Now from this information we can find out the formula for finding angle between pair of straight lines in terms of sine theta. 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by a minus b whole square plus 4h square under root. That is the formula in terms of sine theta. Suppose if you want to find out the formula in terms of cos theta, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That's why a plus b divided by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So that is the formula for finding angle between pair of straight lines. Now you can observe here h square greater than AB, then the two lines are distinct. Whenever h square is equals to AB, h square is equals to AB means what happens? H square is equal to AB, sin theta is equal to 0, theta becomes 0. That means the two lines are coincident lines. H square greater than AB means the two lines are distinct. H square is equal to AB means the two lines are coincident. H square less than AB means they are imaginary lines. Right? So the angle between two straight lines is given by the formula tan theta is equal to 2 into square root of h square minus AB by a plus b. Cos theta is equal to a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square in terms of sin theta 2 into square root of h square minus AB divided by a minus b whole square plus 4h square, and the sum of the slopes is equal to minus 2h by b. Product of the slopes is equal to a by b. At the same time, we are saying that if the two lines are perpendicular, represent two straight lines. Those two straight lines are perpendicular means theta is equal to 90. When theta is equal to 90, cos 90 becomes 0. That's why a plus b is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hexy plus by square is equals to 0. Here, what is the coefficient of x square a? Coefficient of y square is b. If a plus b is equal to 0, then the two lines are perpendicular. Now, ax square plus 2hexy plus by square is equal to 0. The general homogeneous equation represents two straight lines. Both the straight lines are passing through origin. Now we want to find out the combined equation of pair of straight lines perpendicular to this. That is perpendicular to these two lines. The combined equation of pair of straight lines perpendicular to these two lines is given by bx square minus 2hexy plus ay square is equals to 0. At the same time, now we want to find out the combined equation of pair of straight lines passing through the point x1 y1. One line is parallel to this one, the other line is parallel to this one. That means these two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. Then the equation is given by a into x minus x1 whole square plus 2h into x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus b into y minus y1 is equals to whole square is equal to 0. Origin is shifted to a point x1 y1. That's why a into x minus x1 whole square plus 2h into x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus b into y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. Similarly, the combined equation of pair of straight lines passing through a point x1 y1 and perpendicular to this is given by b into x minus x1 whole square minus 2h into x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus a into y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. So that is the combined equation of pair of straight lines. Now the another discussion here we are going to do is, we are saying that equation represents two straight lines passing through origin. Let us say this is one straight line and this is another straight line. Now I want to find out the combined equation of pair of angle bisectors. Now this is one bisector bisecting the angle between the lines. This dotted line represents one bisector and this is another bisector. I hope so everyone know the angle between angle bisectors is always 90 degrees. Now ax square plus 2hexy plus by square is equals to 0. These two lines combined equation is given by this one. Now I am asking these two dotted lines combined equation required. Observe here, this line's inclination I am taking as alpha, and this is the second line, this line inclination I am taking as beta, and let us say this angle is equals to theta. As you know, this angle and this angle same. The reason is this is the angle bisector, that's why these two angles are same. Same means if you are taking this one as D, this is also D, right? Observe there, one angle is alpha, the other angle is theta. That theta is nothing but alpha plus D. Observe there, that theta is nothing but alpha plus D. Next angle is beta, that beta is nothing but alpha plus 2D. Once observe here, alpha plus D, alpha plus 2D. They are in arithmetic progression or not? They are in AP. That means alpha comma theta comma beta are in AP, where alpha is the inclination of this line, beta is the inclination of this line, theta is the inclination of one of the angle bisector. So that's why these three are in arithmetic progression, these three are in AP. Then we can write 2 theta is equals to alpha plus beta. Now I can write 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, right? 2 tan theta divided by this, both sides I applied tan. Tan to theta formula is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equals to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, right? Now this is 2 into this line equation we want to find out. Tan theta is equals to, we can write y by x divided by 1 minus y square divided by x square is equals to tan alpha plus tan beta means sum of the slopes divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta means product of the slopes. Now we can write this one as 2 times xy divided by x square minus y square is equals to m1 plus m2. What about the sum of the slopes? Sum of the slopes is equals to 2h by b, and the product of the slopes is equal to a by b. Now here b cancel, you will get h into x square minus y square is equals to a minus b into, right? H into x square minus y square is equals to, just a minute, this we can write it as m1 plus m2 is equals to minus 2h by b, and the product of the slopes is equal to a by b. Now this simplification we can write it as, this can be written as 2h divided by b cancel, we are getting a minus b. Now both sides 2 gets cancelled, we are getting h into x square minus y square is equals to a minus b into xy. This is the combined equation of these two dotted lines. These two dotted lines combined equation is given by h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy, right? So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Represent two straight lines. These are those two straight lines, right? This is one angle bisector and this is another angle bisector. The combined equation of these two angle bisectors is given by h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Here what is x square coefficient? H. Y square coefficient minus h. Sum is equal to 0 or not? That's why angle between angle bisectors is always 90 degrees. Okay, bye bye.